Nice hair. Thank you. Can we
Thank
continue?
you.
Go
Thank
ahead.
you.
Nice hair.
Thank you very much.
Now, what you want, Abby?
Yes.
Okay, so we already announce and now say nice hairdo by Mayolistic.
But you don't see this my shoe.
I don't see your hair now.
You don't see this my shoe. It's called spikes. You do anyhow. If I commode this shoe, if I
not
was
true.
you one
This-
with this shoe,
this
but I go
shoe
give you like
gets-
79 holes for your body.
But actually, the Coco be say, I don't go find trouble reach there.
I'm happy for you.
I don't go find trouble reach there. No, wahala. As it be like this, I dey on a very, very.
It's better for you.
Just give you chance, P. You
Yes.
understand?
You no sleep. See your eye. Ogbola, you no sleep.
I sleep.
Ogbola, why your eye be like this?
No, not say how my ITB. I mean, when I check my eye, how my ITB, it's just a bit something. It just tints small.
Ogbola be like this.
No. Now, see, light too much. Now, my eye no feel open like that. I dey get that reaction sometimes when
Ogbola,
wait. I dey get that reaction sometimes when light too much, and they show for my eye. I know if it open now too much. You understand? So now one of those days where my eye defects just.
Your own eye defect, you go just come.
They come sometimes now. So not be every time till they always. Sometimes you just want to worry you past normal worry. So not be about me. I beg about PADI PADI show. Thank you very much.
Who they do the PADI PADI show? Who they do? You go stop. You go tell me through where you go. Anyway, so now welcome this morning to PADI PADI with the Trove Salis. They greet everybody this morning, and I hope you are feeling my hair. My hair is on flick. My hair is on flick, and I will tell you the reason behind this hair.
Okay.
I remove my weave on.
Okay.
So underneath this hair now,
it's the real one.
is the real one. And the real one is not very pure. You know, say my head be like granite on a normal day.
Yes.
My head be like this, small, be like blow. So I have to do something. But because this afro, everybody doing afro, I say, let me give my afro a dimension.
Okay.
So I give it a more arc.
Okay.
You get it?
So
I give it a.
You just pack them. Like
I do a patewo.
Patewo for.
Yeah.
You understand?
So that is the secret behind my head this morning.
I hope say you go think very well today.
No, it's okay. See, it's not falling. It's my size. Respect yourself. Respect yourself. It's my size. It's not falling down. Don't din anything. We'll go on a break. We they come back. Don't be din anything. We they come back. Break.
I have to say thank you also to my teammates. They not only these ones, but all the other ones that I play with, and they were fantastic.
You don't do. All this. You say me, I know be football person.
No, but not be even the football.
Now
the small boy.
The cuteness of the small boy.
The cuteness of the small boy. So as people come, they shout. He just they move the ball small. You think saying that so then they do and move. So they raise hand. Hey, I don't score.
Carry the ball up. Boys and football, sha.
Oh my word! For those of you who watched the match yesterday, that Chelsea match. I couldn't watch the match because that particular point in time I get emotional problem. So I mean, they think of my emotions when they play the match, but I hear them they shout for downstairs.
Why everybody they get emotional?
Every day now they get emotional problem. Look, Ogbola, even if you look at me in a way where I don't like an emotional problem for me. Yes.
Okay, sorry.
Yes.
I know. I will make sure I don't look you that way.
So all my problems, all na emotional.
My voice is deep one kind.
Even your deep voice, they give me emotional problem.
Sorry.
Yes.
We will do our best possible to make sure your emotional problem no pass.
Ogbola, you define voice over work. This voice where you just use now, you define voice over work.
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of them to come the PADI PADI show. And for now, we just work out enter yarn, the yarn. All right, so we don't no blink, we they come back. All right, peace.
Huh?
Now God, they're going to save you just now. Therefore, just hear what rubbish when you just talk.
I tell you this, the man that they respect in herself.
Now you go respect yourself. Keep quiet, you. Now you go respect yourself. They do not. They talk rubbish.
The next small now for hear wetin I talk just now. The next small thing. Okay. Hey. All right, I go just enter inside the gist for the day. So now, former President Olusegun Obasanjo on top Wednesday, in showing football skills. You understand? As he lead the OPJ team for inside the soccer something where they do with the Ogun State Executive Team. You understand me? And then play football together. The match, then they design them as part of the 78th birthday program. You know, say Obasanjo by day. Where we say it happened for inside Moshood Abiola Stadium, Abeokuta, with Governor Ibikunle Amosu, will lead the state team. So Mr. Obasanjo now scored 2 goals for his team. Hey, yeah. He defeats the Amosu team, which recorded 1 goal at the full time of the match. You understand? So the governor now then awarded him the most valuable player of the match, while Mr. Obasanjo won the Golden Boot. You get it now? And Golden Boot award, and then Akin Mabogunje received award of best goalkeeper of the encounter. My own question now is, if all of you are winning award, go and play with the real soccer team.
May they go, see all this rubbish they do like this. See, if you check out all these people that way they mention now, plus Ogao, PJ, everybody, there be one position or the other. Maybe minister of one thing or one thing. May they go play with the real boys.
With the real boys. Most.
It just remind me for my church some years back, the same will go play football, our pastor play. Everybody come, they fear to clear him.
Everybody, they fear to clear him.
And the man sabi play. So they dribble everybody. Somebody say, hey, pastor. Now one boy, one defender, come out town. Pro! Pastor land. The next morning, no sign for church. Where they say, don't hang leg for up. Now, so it's supposed to be for this. So, when they go play with the real boys there. They'll go know whether former president go fit collect golden boots.
But he talks, say, even at an age, he cherish sports. You understand? So, but anyway, in that just something fun we do for his 78th birthday, but I don't old.
78.
I'm on 2 years away from 80. You know,
and he still hold this country for work, for politics.
Now, wow.
78.
Moving on.
All right.
Concern you. They say whether he go still run 100-meter race. Who knows? Or maybe marathon. Then go on with all those Kenyan people. You know, say Kenyan people that sabi marathon where?
78 is still young now. So you know, we never hear 80 something. We still marry a girl of 15. My brother, anything is possible.
This life is beautiful.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right. For those of now, sabi waka go meet Babalawo for things. These days, Babalawo they dupe people. When I was very very careful. They say one particular woman go meet one Babalawo they call Akin Babalola. Babalawo the man be. Or sake of say her husband leave her with the children where they born together, can't go follow another woman. So she can't go meet this man. Talk say, Babalawo, abeg, come help me arrange love portion while I will take get back my husband as my man. As he be say, the man run, abandon her with the children. No be Babalawo come say, make him go consult oracle, you do everything. Do everything. Come reason say, man, if you do that love portion for the man fee go die. And the woman don't pay him 500,000. So the man can't do the whole love portion thing again for the woman. Last, the woman can't go call police. Say me police come arrest him. The man said the reason why I not do this now because your husband fee go die for the whole thing. But last, the police don't catch the man. They charge him to court and for felony and obtaining under false pretense and stealing.
He no disappear.
He no
strong like that.
No be this one they pass wall now. If you be read Babalawo, you just be disappear. Yeah, for just man, I know you say for yourself on this one.
Catch you,
or if you just come, if police just come say want arrest you. You go do your forget it. Police just come say.
Why are we here?
Why are we here? Now hospital be this.
Yes.
They will just confuse. The man no jazzy, not the real one, not the real Babalawo.
Just like I dey tell one of my friends, I say, you see, the same jazz man why they use, you know, if he work, you know why? Because he on Instagram, he dey on Skype.
You understand?
You know, this particular man, he go there Facebook.
So
if you check and where.
So you use Babalawo?
No. This kind one, they go there Facebook. Then go there like Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat.
They use laptop to the consult.
Skype. Yes. So their jazz no fit work.
No fit work. And they always inside AC.
Yeah, they inside
and AC. They spoil juju well.
But now the one we say you go knock three times. Boom. Boom. something go just open.
All this one, that big Iroko tree. We can't get one, you know, they ugly where. They can't get one ugly person as their IT person.
Yes.
We for corner.
We
go Calabash, you understand? Those are not the real.
But this one's where they know waiting be 70K.
All this modern day.
No pure.
When I was say me go bring eye of alligator, they say me go
or
bring
lizard. In spinal cord.
You understand? Or the intestine of first generation whale.
You understand? All those whales when they born 1982.
Or the whiskers of lion.
Yes.
Those kind message. Now be the real babalawo. Not be this one they collect 500,000.
500,000.
Oh God. Now Yahoo boy.
Auntie, no verse, yeah? Next time, shine your eye. Now Lagos no they take yaga.
You understand me now?
Anyways, we'll take a short break. When we come back, we will continue on flick, being that my hair is on flick.
We'll come out for your head.
Yeah.
You'll be like play.
We dey come. Bae.
Where that thing come out from?
I don't know.
I see the
Boli Atepa.
Boli Atepa.
Initials of Boli Atepa.
They can't convert them. Now from Boo, they can't have to define. Bae.
You know, my mom still was saying, that year when they be their relationship, you understand? Now one man, one woman love the sweet. I tell her, I say, mommy, you are wasting your time because now is the time of Bae and Boo.
Bebu.
You understand? Bebu.
One of my friends said, if they call you Boo, you don't lost.
You don't lost, though.
You move your head like this. But if they call you Bae, now you know be even the things. You're just somebody along the line.
All right, so make I tell you, this one are for the women out there. Every woman where they out there, this gist go interest you because the world's oldest woman, she clocked 117 years today.
What?
Yes. And she be Japanese woman, Miyasu Okawa, to celebrate her birthday today as she clocked 117 years old. Even though now for old people's nursing home, now she did. But they ask her, say, how she feel to see her with her beautiful kimono. They ask her, say, how she feel to to be this age. She said, well, she thank God for life. She thank God for, what is it called? For opportunity to see today. She was born in 1898. Oh. She was born in 1898. You understand me now? She talked, they ask her, they say, how you take live your life? You understand? Where you say you still dey healthy. If not, be say old age don't show plenty. She said, well, say na simple thing, no stress yourself, eat good food. Say she know they play with her 8 hours of sleep. And she dey relax in a very healthy manner. Say na the only thing wey she do. Say to get long life, no be hard thing. And na true, worry one kiss of people ogbolo.
Sister, see, don't forget, if you work for that place.
Ogbolo, no be matter
for this country, only the news they hear for TV alone. If they keep person for this country.
No be matter of if you keep person. See, whether you hear news or you no hear news, now your health. You need to learn how to control, how to take care of your health. Now the truth be that.
Yeah, people go need to learn.
Because girls these days, they know they worry about they no see work. They know they worry about things where they happen for this country. When I go marry, all my mates don't marry. When I go this, where the girl man I go marry, where my boyfriend. Now waiting then they worry be that.
Love.
I want wear Range Rover, I want carry shoe, I want carry bag.
I want wear Range Rover.
Yeah. Then they wear on these days because see, I just tire. So now waiting then they think that's now why long life they far from plenty of them.
Plenty people, different stress.
Calm down, settle yourself. Everything go happen at in own time. Calm down.
But even at the same time, say make they know what you always listen to.
Yes.
Some people you carry remote control early mom don't face TV. 47 die in Kaduna. If you hear that kind of news every morning, how you want to get long life?
Calm down your body.
Your blood pressure will rise.
Yes, be happy. No, they carry enemies. They tie to your neck. They tie to your neck. Be happy. You will live long. I mean, look at me. I look 10 years younger than my age.
Yes.
Wow.
See what they talk. All right, for inside the Surulere for there, what Ogbonge happen? This thing they always happen for houses for Surulere there. Where person could just do the house. You know, so they don't already sell the house to somebody else. If you already the house pump, you just person just show up. Now so it happen for just yeah, everybody come out for inside the Ladele Dada Street. And this one happened for inside Surulere for there. One particular house where everybody live their own. One particular baba said, where did the house? They don't live there. Since 1984, now they live for the house. All of a sudden, they say police just show. Bam. Wait happen. One man just come and say, now get the house. Ha. From where? When they come find out everything, they come realize say the landlord we don't die. A daughter don't sell the house since to this particular guy who can't show up. So as the landlord can't die, now the man can't show up. Now so yeah, as landlord don't die, you and maybe the original owner now. Oh yeah, everybody come and pack your load and leave my premises.
Wow.
The carry police come and trust our police. There they go show up. For this kind level. As just show up for everybody. Baba come the talk say come on. Say people just come the house early morning around 10 o'clock. House when on the say since 1984, he still get the receipt of in payment when first pay as first rent for that house. He say, but now they can't carry new person come and the new person say come make everybody pack their load. You don't even give them time. Just make everybody pack load come up for the house. This particular thing, it always happen. That's why even you when they watch like this now, go and check. Make sure say that house where you did, they never sell it to somebody else. Do your proper finding. You will want go collect house. They very, very sure of house where they will enter because things they happen. If you don't do it like 3 months now, you can't cackle, can't feel like say I don't get house. On the 4th month, 5 months, 6 months, person can just show up, bam. I don't pay for house, just give you receipts. It's not gonna be your portion, but make everybody use their brain.
You just tell us if they tell us. No be me ga mag be here. Wow, don't
some they carry it out come.
Yes.
No be all they carry police
come up for this house now. You know sit
They go help you pack your load, they help you the thief.
Once.
So please make you just be careful. You just say you guys get full complete set of house. By the time they pack your load come out, now only pot you go see. Because they find
don't
TV,
move everything.
They find things. Some people they find their wives just themselves. So be careful, please. Be careful. Make everybody just shine their eye well. When they worry you, son.
Why be saying that when I want to do a weekend tune and they put on white shorts?
It's good now because you're too much. You're not Thursday, make everybody just
You like my wahala. You like my wahala.
All right,
You like my wahala.
Laugh for today. I'll just be the man on this show for today, all right? So you can
talk now, my shoe. Forget them for your face.
Will they come
talk.
back for last
I'm threatening now. I go do one day.
You know me, I don't like to do comparison. Me, I like to do comparison. For here, they'll first beat all those adults. Go first beat the pikin first. You all she. For that, they will hands up, kneel down, hands up.
You go, yeah? Tell me one thing, let me dance the make I do. No face.
But very funny thing, very funny. All the pranking things, pranking things. Like, someone will see pictures on top, laugh, they laugh, and then from there, we'll come out gist for the every.
Now, waiting now. Which kind of eyebrow be this?
But this one are old gist now. This is old gist.
What happened, auntie?
Mayor looks.
No, this is not mayor looks. Come on. This is confused looks.
This no be porridge work.
No, this no be porridge
No
work.
be porridge work.
What is
Eh?
Unibrow level.
This one join, no be that
You know,
that
say you
one.
get
No.
some people where they get joined
I
eyebrow.
get friend where
like
gets this type.
As in
before.
full joined eyebrow
Yes,
like
now.
this. People they will get,
if
but
that-
not be this kind one.
If that guy open him back for you,
Hey.
it be like football feed.
Wow. What is this?
I'm waiting. See packaging for Amala.
You know, say this one, they don't go call them Amala. They call it like Amalagatus Pereste or something like that.
That be the
They
swag,
can
the
say, do you
swag
want
dot
some
name.
Amagalatus Perestes
You said
garnished
yes,
with some waterloo?
Yes.
That one a water.
No, what's out?
Waterloo. Yeah.
With Ewedulizia.
Yeah, it would do list. But Lord, you know this thing.
Ewedulizia.
Son investment. Dealers of Babin Saloon.
Dealers of Babin Saloon.
Haircut.
Clothing materials, haba. Such as jeans, shirts, underwear, etc. Ewo. Only you. Only one person.
You know the one wey sweet me pass? Dealers of Babin Saloon.
This one a proper Igbo man. This
Whether
one
dem dey deal the hair wey dem dey barb.
na normal Igbo man. This is some Igbo men. If you go their tomb where they bury some, you go see where they write time. With gratitude to God for a life well spent, we regret to announce who owns a shop in 15 Idumota Road. Dealers of one thing. So for their tomb safe, where they bury them,
Advertisement
they
still dey.
advertise their things for
Now
them.
wow. Now wow. All right, follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI PADI. We did there for you live and direct. Don't forget, say for every time where you follow us, you do encourage us to do better things for all of us. So for everybody where they watch us, thank you so much. We did very, very grateful. I don't know what thing they try to do, but well, I could just continue on top of the levels. So this is not PADI PADI. Join us again tomorrow. It's a Friday. My favorite day, Joe. As in, on a Friday, I'm a very proud girl. My armpit used to raise. I have a shoulder pad inside my armpit, you know, on Friday. And then happy birthday to my girl. Birthday shout out to my girl. I love you so much, Nikki P.
Nikki P.
My one and only Adenike Oyetunde. I love you to the moon and back.
Nike.
Yes,
Nike.
we go bring her come one day. We
Very
will shock you with Nike. We will shock you with a revelation that you will not be able to experience.
At Wazobia PADI PADI, join us on top Twitter. I'm gonna make sure say na go there, go do things. All right. So what else?
Not be every time they show the ginger. We try today.
No. Forget.
You know, pure.
It must always be ginger.
We try, made the thing elapse. Even with my hair, it's still no. So just take it like that. The show don't end. So just take it like that.
We love all of you, and then just make sure that they show love outside there. All right. Iyabeji, happy birthday to you. We don't talk now. Not yet. Thank you very much. All right. So from
Join
us for
tomorrow, Friday.
See you guys tomorrow. God bless all of you now.
Happy birthday to you, Nika, again once more.